Hey man, how are you? How was the first PHP?
I think 330 last 10 years production has been very good. 300% increase in profit, but I know the scope a bit much uncertainty affects my costs. But I love bibimbap already, so I don't know what to do.
For idol, we can ask Dr. Professor Tan.
How are you doing? How are you doing?
I'm not very good.
Oh, very good.
See the village is very small lately. And actually there are three problems that I wish that you can help me solve. Firstly, I think I need to be aware of the toxic fumes being produced at the local village. Secondly, I want a cheaper solution that can solve the air pollution problem. And lastly, I want all the villagers in local village to know about the harmful effects of the gases produced from forest casting.
Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Let me show you it. Apps will be attached to the wall, and the toxic fumes will be funneled through by the pipe. The venture system has two parts. The inlet which takes in the water that acts as both a cooling system and as a pump to cool the toxic fumes through the water tank. The soluble compounds in the toxic fumes may dissolve and be left in the water. The remaining compounds that won't dissolve will then go through the filtration system. The filtration system is composed of mesh that contains soil and microbial inoculant. Now, you may be wondering, what is a microbial inoculant? Well, they are agricultural amendments. Basically, they colonize the microorganisms that will then metabolize and degrade the insoluble pollutants, and then the air that exits will be cleaner. Now, I'll be talking about the earlier designs. As you can see, the first one has a retractable pipe, the wood chips in the filter, and it has a vent as a vacuum. But we realized that this is not sustainable, so I've actually consulted a higher up, lecturer Andrew. So, after multiple variations, we came up with our final prototype. So, through careful consideration, we put back the venturi system, we added a cooling system and a water tank for soluble pollutants to dissolve. Now, moving on to the actual product. As you can tell, this is where the smoke will be absorbed, and the pipe through the wall and through the my venturi system. A water pipe will be attached to this pipe over here, which would push all the air into this water tank, and it will make all the gases that are dissolvable in water dissolve. And the remaining gases will rise, and it will get filtered by my filter.
I think our village now will be a lot cleaner, and I really can feel a lot happier and healthier. So thank you, Mr. Tan.
My pleasure.